Okay, this time we're using the order of operations when we have grouping symbols. So our first problem, problem 1, we have 2 times 5 plus 3 parentheses 4 plus 3. Based on our order of operations, we work with our parentheses first, and we have to work within the parentheses. So we're working with that 4 plus 3. When we add 4 plus 3, that's going to give us 7. So I now have that 7 inside the parentheses, and I'm rewriting the rest of the expression. Now working from left to right, I have multiplication, 2 times 5 here. I have 3 times 7 right here. 2 times 5 will give me 10, plus 3 times 7, which is 21. And since all I have is addition left, all I can do now is just add my numbers, 10 plus 21, and this will give me 31. We now have example number 2, and now things are going to get a little bit more complicated. We have 2, or bracket, 5 plus, I have parentheses, 30 divided by 6, close parentheses, squared, and then I close my bracket. So following my order of operations, it's parentheses and brackets. I have to look within the brackets, and within there I find that parentheses. So I have to start by working with those parentheses first. I'm going to start rewriting this. 2 bracket 5 plus, in parentheses I will put my answer of 30 divided by 6, which will give me 5. I bring down that square and I close my bracket. Now within that bracket I'm looking at what's inside of it. I have 5 plus 5 squared. So our square is our exponent. We have to work with our exponent first. So I'm going to rewrite this. 2, the bracket 5, plus 5 squared is the same thing as 5 times 5, which equals 25. I close my bracket. Within our bracket, we now have 5 plus 25. So I have that 2, my bracket, and 5 plus 25 is equal to 30. My bracket works the same thing as the parentheses, so this would be the same thing as 2 times 30, which is equal to 60.